Well, now let's take a closer look at the 5 major goals of the Belt and Road Initiative. During his visits to Central and Southeast Asia in 2013, Chinese President Xi Jinping unveiled the initiative, which aims to jointly build the Silk Road economic belt and the 21st Century Maritime Silk Road. President Xi also laid out the 5 major goals of the initiative, namely to promote policy coordination, facilitate connectivity, unimpeded trade, financial integration and people-to-people bonds among Belt and Road countries. As such, President Xi urged related countries to contribute to grand cooperation in the region.